Hi guys, welcome to my videos. We have to draw the pea shooter.
Oh, we're going to color the pea shooter. Okay. Ano I'll drop it. Okay, Seb. Oh, what color is this?
Color green.
Okay, you start. We're going to start coloring the pea shooter. Wow, what color is this?
Just color
What?
green.
Oh, you show it in the camera.
Green.
You show it in the camera. It's color green. Look guys, it's color green. Wow. Yan ba yung first plant sa Plant vs Zombie Seb?
Yes. It's the called the pea shooter.
Pea shooter. Paano ginagawa niya?
Why this one has no bowl?
Bowl?
Yes.
Anong bowl?
The bowl.
Yung mismong pea.
Yes.
The ammo.
Right.
Because, I think he just fire it up to the zombie. Wow. It's color green.
Yes.
Lahat ba ng body niya is color green?
Yes.
How about this stem?
It's also green.
It's color green. Anong grade mo na sa susunod na pasukan? Papasok ka sa SM? Yun yung school mo, yung SM? Here at SM, iwan si Sebastian.
No.
Space yung coloring. Color green. Wow. Oh, galing mo. Walang lagpas. Oh, what's that? Is that your signature?
Yes.
Oh, bakit baliktad? Dapat na ganun sa right side mo. Oh, what letter is that? I will help you. Oh, bilis color mo muna to. I will teach you how to write your name. Oh, lagpas. Yan, color green. Over the head. Okay. What's that? Hairband.
Why this?
Only one? Kalbo din pala yung pea shooter eh.
It's over. This one. This one. This one here.
One here.
Yes.
Ang pea shooter ba sir is a vegetable?
No.
Ano siya?
It's a repeater.
Repeater? It's repeater. Okay. Wow.
Look at the eyes.
It's already color black. Color black, color green lang ba yan sir? How about this one?
It's also green.
Green? Oh, this.
What's this?
Can I,
Yes.
Can I color it? Look, wow, diba? And I will color this here. Ayan.
Diba the pea shooter has only one hair? It's called a lip hair.
Lip hair. It's a lip hair.
Yes.
Oh, look, I draw it. I know, I color it. How about you?
Why is already round and round?
Round and round. I wish
I fell down.
you fell down. Why?
I pass. I fell down the bus right here.
Sa next na ano, Seb? Kinder 1 ka na.
When I'm finished drawing this, I will go down
How old are you na ba, Seb?
3. When I'm done finish this, I will draw the two-head sunflower.
Okay, we will look for it. Sunflower? But you already colored the sunflower, remember?
No, the two-head sunflower.
The two-head. Dun sa last video, it's only one head, di ba? Tama? Wow. It's a fish shooter. Color, 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 color.
Can you color also this?
Yes, I can do it. Look. Oh, diba?
Also here.
Yes.
Ow!
Oh, be careful.
Don't color my finger.
Okay, so look, it's color green. Just color green. How about color brown?
No. Because it's always color green.
Because it's a leaf. I think it's a bean.
Green?
I fell down. Okay. Bilis. You can do it. Anong mas magandang pang color, Sam? Crayons or watercolor?
Crayons.
Crayons. Then the watercolor with the ano? And then ganon. Mukha bang pencil?
Oh,
Ano?
this is flat.
Because it's a table.
Why this one is flat? The paper.
Because-
Make it stand.
Ah.
Or make it stand.
Okay, let's stand. You cannot. Seb, when you go to school, you
I
put my
my
head.
green hair.
Yes, you put what?
Green hair.
Green hair. You draw color green on my head.
Green hair.
Yes. Seb, malapit ka nang pumasok. Ilan yung gusto mong friend?
Mr. Nanay.
No. There's no Mr. Nanay on the
I
classroom.
said Mr. Nanay.
Nanay.
Mr. Nanay.
Mr. Nanay? It's not a Mr. Si ano ba? Teacher Giselle. Teacher Giselle. Anong name yun, Sam?
Mr. Giselle.
It's a girl, not Mr. Man or boy.
I covered the green. I covered the green.
Okay. Color all over the
How about this one is already green?
face. Let me try. Look, I already colored the hair, the body, the stem, and then the feet.
I already drew this.
But I'm going to complete it. Look, it's color. How about color brown?
No.
Di ba color brown yung soil?
When you plant it will soil.
Okay.
It will grow.
I already colored it.
How about
Look.
this?
Oh, how about you? You finish it. Oh, diba? It's Pogi na. Oh, look. It's Pogi.
Like you?
Yes, I'm so Pogi, diba?
Foggy is like this.
Yes, paano? Paano? Sa face mo, please. Sa face. Oh, cute. Eee, kit, 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 kit.
Why this one is already white?
Because the paper is color white. Diba?
Wapas. Wapas.
Lagpas. It's called lagpas.
How about this?
It's almost done. Seb, do you want to go to school na? Huh?
It's already night time.
Pero gusto mo gusto mo pumasok sa school.
On sunny day.
You want to go to school. Seb, yes. Paano yun? Magsising ka ng ABC.
It's A, B, C, D,
Oh, and then you will write your name. You know what? Your complete name is Louis Emmanuel Sebastian. Can you write it down?
Look, I finished it.
How about the mouth? Almost done. It's circle, circle, Mary, circle. Put the.
Can you go the circle?
But I already. Oh, look, I will crayon it like this. What are you doing?
We do it.
Billy? Saan? Saan si Billy?
Ringo Kids.
Sa Limbo Kids? Yun ba yung bird?
Yes.
With the with the glasses?
Yes.
With the eyeglasses? Bakit niya ginagawa yan, Seb?
Because when it's scared, when it's scared.
I'm scared. Look, I finished it. How about your name? Oh, write it down. X. How about here?
I already do it.
That's wrong. Oh, please. You write it X. First is no.
Small X. I do
Ito.
small X.
Oh, please. X.
X.
Oh, please. X. E. Here. E. E. And then, wow, and then, only 3. That's 4. Okay. And then the last letter is what? Wow. Oh, isa pa. Isa pa.
What?
Yan na, diba? Dalawang tiyan. Dalawang tummy. Yun! Look! Ang layo ng gap. But it's okay. Because you're just 3 years.
No.
Yes, look! Here is the... What's the name of this?
It's pea shooter.
So you hold it and then let's take a picture. Oh, don't jump. I'm going to take your picture. It look like your head. Okay, you say goodbye to your fans. To the other kids, please.
Bye-bye. Thanks to my video.
What? Thanks to my videos?
And then,
Milk. You drink milk because we're going to sleep na.
But I will watch the video.
Yes, we will upload it.
Yes.
Okay, say bye-bye again.
Bye-bye. Thanks to my videos.
Thanks to my videos.
Dun, dun, dun,
Okay.
dun, dun,